Special greetings, my dear students. Today onwards, we are going to start a revision for our uh, OFLE exam. Okay, soon you are going to have OFLE exam. This time, I am going to revise from last chapter 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By this way, I am going to revision. My dear students, if you see this fifth chapter and sixth chapter is PowerPoint. If I start from sixth and fifth, it will not be a proper way. So I am starting now 5 and 6. After we will go in a reverse order. Now our fifth chapter is a MS PowerPoint. First of all, inserting table. My dear students, what is a table? Okay, what is a table? Simple definition for the table is a set of rows and columns. Table is a set of rows and columns. Okay. Now kindly see here, I am going to insert one new slide. Before that, this is a PowerPoint. Okay, MS PowerPoint. This is a component of the PowerPoint window. If anyone is asking you, draw a component of MS PowerPoint window, you should draw like this only. Title bar, menu bar, and this is a ribbon. Ribbon consists of the several groups. Okay, these are the main things, and this is the bottom. Okay, in bottom you can able to see zoom or zoom out and types of view we can able to see. Now I am going to insert one new slide. If you want to insert a new slide in a home tab, there is a new slide. When we are clicking new slide, here there are total 9 layout. Which layout is necessary, you can select. So I am selecting this title content. So in title content, here is a table. Means this is for example, I am inserting some table. Okay, my dear student, this is a table. Okay, this is a table. If you see this table, okay, if you see this table, I am planning to insert more data. Okay, this is a table. So this one, vertical is called column. Okay, this vertical row, this vertical is called what? Column. And this horizontal is called row. This is the thing you should remember always. Okay, now I am going to insert a table. Now kindly see here. So I am going to insert a column of 8. Okay. Sorry, 5 column, 8 rows. So this is a column. Okay, this vertical is called what? Column. This vertical is a column. This vertical is a column. And this horizontal is called row. This is the main thing you should remember. Okay. And now my dear student, first of all, in our PowerPoint, they given how to insert a table. How to insert a table. If you are going to insert a table, my dear students, there are so many ways. Okay, there are so many ways are there. First way. Okay, first way. As usual, normal. In a menu bar, select Insert tab. In Insert tab, there is a table you can able to see. First way, first method I am saying. Click on table. Here you can select as much number of rows and columns. You can number of rows and column. Depend on how much you are selecting rows and column. Depend on that. Here you can able to see. Based on my movement, it is changing automatically. Okay, this is a way to insert a table. First method. Okay, this is the first method. Now I am going to insert another way. Okay, another way. Second method, here new slide is just click. Okay, sorry, here in insert tab, same as usual, table. Sir, I want more number of rows and column. If I want to insert more number of rows and column, here insert table is there. Just click. So here columns are there. If I want only 4 columns, select 4 and rows. If I want 20 rows, just you see already I told column means a vertical, row means horizontal. Press OK. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns and 20 rows are there. 20 rows are there. This is the second method. Sir, I don't want to go to the insert tab. And if you are thinking, I don't want to go to insert tab, I don't want to use this option. Sir, any other option is there? Yes, of course. There is an option. Okay, there is an option. In a slide, in middle, you can able to see this insert table. Just select. Now one dialog box is appearing. Here you can able to select as much you need. 5 columns, 2 rows. I am going to give opposite. 2 column, 5 row. Okay, 2 column, 5 row. Press OK. So these are the 3 method to insert a column. Okay, sorry, insert a table. Okay, these are the 3 methods to insert a table. If in your examination, if they are asking, you have to give the answer. Okay, you have to write. Okay, sir, now I insert a table. Now I am having only 2 columns. I want to insert another column. Okay, I want to insert another column. How we can able to insert another column? Very simple. Simple method I am saying. Just right click. Okay, insert is there. Now see insert column left, insert column right, insert row above, insert row below. I want to insert a column right. One column came right side. Sir, I want to insert column left. Okay, right click, same insert, insert column left. Left side column came. So this is the way. Sir, I want to delete rows. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows are there. Okay, 4 rows are there. First row we should not count because first row is for only the heading purpose. Now I want to delete a row. Right click. Sorry, if I want to insert a row, right click, insert, insert row above below. Over. If I want to insert a column, sorry, if I want to delete a column, right click, delete column. Delete it, one column deleted. If I want to delete a row, right click, delete, sorry, delete row. Row also deleted. So this is a simple way to insert a rows and a column and to insert a table. Okay, to modify table, there are so many ways are there. These all things while doing practical you will understand. And now designs are there. Okay, here there is a designs. This all designs we can see in a next our class. Okay, this all designs we can able to see in a next class. Now I think this is enough. Thank you, my students. Thanks for watching. Thank you.